Hey guys, Rachel here, and I am excited to show you this cruiser that just came in. It's a 2025. It is raining outside, so I am sorry if it gets all, the sprinkles everywhere on this camera, but let's go from the outside in. You guys let me know. It is a coach, so there's no bunks. So if you're looking for a coach, this is a beautiful unit. So let's go from the outside in. You guys let me know. Alright guys, we've got a cruiser Aire 2025 model 27RBS. You have one slide on this side. You've got a nice long awning, storage, all the fun stuff, and you do have an actual, I believe it's an actual grill and fridge. Yes. So you got your fridge, and then you do have a grill right out here, right underneath your awning. You can hang up your TV out here, which is nice, and it is a tankless. Plus you do have your backup camera prep as well. Let's take a look inside. All right. So right when you walk in, first of all, I love the colors in here. I like that light and dark. But right here you do have nice big pantry. And then to the left you have your bathroom, and I love when they have the bathroom in the back. It's just so big. You got your washer and dryer in here, your washer and dryer prep, but just some extra closet space as well. Look how it's just so beautiful. The dark and the light mixed together. All right, so you do have some, maybe you got some towels or whatever. You can use it for whatever you would like, but nice storage cabinetry right there. Plus, I love this. This is different, but it is just a little bit more storage and counter space as well. Plus, you do have an outlet over here, which is nice. You've got a nice size shower as well as, I love this beautiful window, by the way. I love windows, period, but I like how big this is, all that natural light coming in. And it's a really nice size shower. And you're able to have a seat and not bump your knees, not feel crowded when you're doing your thing. Beautiful bathroom. If a bathroom can be beautiful, this is a beautiful one. I really like it. A lot of space. Then we have our theater seating, which is super comfy. And then across, you've got your entertainment. You've got cubbies, you've got a fireplace, and then you got more storage up here. You've got a dinette, of course, turns into a bed, or a bigger couch, which is really nice, and then beautiful windows right behind it. This side you got your kitchen, and again, I'm excited about the color of this cabinetry. It's beautiful, absolutely stunning. You can put your, I would assume, paper towels right here. You've got, or a towel of some sort. I love the backsplash. Beautiful. But you got counter space, a nice big sink, 3-burner, your oven, and a microwave. And then, of course, more storage right up here and on that side as well. Got a nice big fridge, plenty of space here to put all your goods. Very nice, including your freezer right above. And then you do have more storage down there as well, which is lovely. The more, the better. And then you do have your master bedroom, which it has storage up there, storage on the side, little side tables, as well as cubbies on each side. And then your beautiful windows on each side as well. Of course, there's always storage underneath the bed for the most part. So what do you guys think of this unit? Of course, I love it, but I want to know what you guys think. So if you have any questions, call, text, email. Of course, my information is going to be in the description. Come see me. But until next time, guys.